Actually, what we see in the market today, talking with our customer and our partners, it's really clear that the customer and partner today are focusing more and more into the data side. And why is the data? Because the data today is the fuel for everything we can see in the market. For the data, you can start working in your AI environment. You can start having your multi-cloud around your data. You have to secure your data as well. So the thing and the trend that we see in the market today is very clear, that data is the main focus for all the enterprises today. And all the enterprises today, in order to start using their data for something more useful and to get some business outcome, they need to think about how to use the data, how to build their actually use cases using the AI to get some use cases out of their data, how to host their data on multi-cloud environment, how they can secure the data today. Today is completely different than we used to before. Before, we used to secure our data by building firewalls here and there. But today, data is everywhere. You can find data on the edge, you can find data at the core data center. That's why the trend today is a bit different from what you used to see before. All companies today are focusing into their data, trying to invest and build ecosystem around the data to get out actually of the data the most for their solution and for business as well. So back again to the trend, because as I mentioned, the trend here is the data. And for data, you need to host your data in a very modern infrastructure environment. Dell is working very closely in certain areas, mainly when it comes to the infrastructure solution. Dell is focusing mainly on the storage side. We have different service and compute solutions for our customers. And the last thing is related to the converged and hyper-converged infrastructure. But all those solutions are following certain philosophy from Dell, which is related to the environment has to be smart. When I'm talking about smart, that all our hardware and our infrastructure has to be smart enough and equipped with an AI internal solution that manages the workload in a better way. It has to be flexible because, as you can see, with the number and with the size of data that we have today, we need to have flexible enough to scale up and scale down your infrastructure in an easy way. And the last point, but most important, is the resilience of the data. How to protect the data, how the data can be secure into the infrastructure. So today, the philosophy for our infrastructure solutions is to cover all those aspects in a very advanced way to protect the data and be more relevant to our customer needs. In GITEX here, if you can visit us in GITEX 2023, we have 8 main stands. And when I'm talking about stand here, I'm talking about certain verticals that we're trying to cover here. We're having a stand for healthcare, a stand for telco, stand for FSI, and a stand as well for energy. Plus those vertical stands related to the technology and the industry, we have also some stands related to the solutions. Like we're covering the Epic solution from Dell, which is an innovative solution for our customer to give them the experience of public cloud on-prem. You'll find some actually stand related to the AI, and we have very interesting topic about the AI and generative AI as part of our stand as well. This is honestly a very vague topic. Let me just touch base on some areas of it. AI for sure will help us a lot to simulate the changes on the environment without doing any impact on the environment. And this will be a great added value for us using the AI when it comes to the environment. But on the other side, AI is fully depending on the data and processing the data, which requires a lot of processing power, a lot of compute within the data center, which will increase a bit the usage of the data center power and cooling. And that's why Dell is focusing a lot today into producing and designing a smart solution for data center that fully depending on fluid cooling environment, which actually help a lot to reduce the impact on the environment and the impact on sustainability using the AI machine. We're trying to create more and more actually storage with advanced storage that have much less footprint within the data center, either from the cooling, from the power requirement, and even from the heat dissipation from those equipment. So AI, it's actually it's a very important tool for us. We have to use it, but we need to work much higher actually and much focus on the infrastructure to advance and to have better actually efficient, power efficient equipment within data center for AI.